The path to the money is a path away from the money. Meaning is that one of my podcasts I talk about money is the byproduct of the creating service and product for the others, creating the value for the others. So you try to provide this some service to the other, and you cannot tremendous, you cannot just imagine how much money you can get. So try to give them value, provide more service, provide earn more money, provide more service, earn more money. Second way you can do is like that, sell more things, get more money, sell more thing, get more. So two ways you can only just make the money, provide more services and get more money from that. This is what the most of the people around the world are doing. They are doing the one job, two job, three jobs to earn the money, and they are just getting making the sense for their companies. They're working for their companies day and night. The same things freelancers are doing. They are also doing the someone else work, they are providing the service to someone else, so they are earning from that money. So it's meaning if you provide more services to people, you can make more money. For example, if you have team of the two people, you have limited work, but if you have four people, you can earn more revenue. If you have six people, you can earn more revenue. If you have eight people, you can earn more than that. So it's like increase your team and provide more services to the people, so that you can earn more revenue and more money to you.